Picture a vast and sprawling agricultural landscape where the hum of innovation and technology fills the air. Fields stretch endlessly, meticulously maintained by autonomous tractors that glide smoothly over the terrain, guided by precise GPS systems. Overhead, drones soar like vigilant sentinels, capturing real-time data on crop health and distributing it seamlessly to soil sensors embedded in the earth. These sensors track moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels, ensuring that every plant gets exactly what it needs to thrive. At the center of this futuristic farm, towering vertical farms rise, utilizing hydroponics and aeroponics to cultivate fresh produce in nutrient-rich water or mist. Here, soil becomes a thing of the past, replaced by efficient, space-saving techniques that yield bountiful crops year-round. Agrobots work tirelessly beneath these vertical gardens, planting seeds with precision, harvesting ripe produce, and even weeding out unwanted plants. The presence of these robots makes laborious farming tasks a dance of automated precision and efficiency. Artificial intelligence plays a critical role in this agricultural utopia. AI-powered crop monitoring systems analyze vast amounts of data collected from sensors and satellites, predicting yields with uncanny accuracy and offering real-time insights to optimize growth. Blockchain technology ensures every step of the supply chain, from farm to table, is transparent and traceable, bolstering food safety and consumer trust. The entire ecosystem is a testament to how technology can elevate and secure the food production process. Surrounding these fields and vertical farms, renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines stand tall, generating clean, sustainable power. Biogas systems hum quietly in the background, processing organic waste into valuable energy. Even in the dairy farm sector, automatic milking systems have revolutionized the milking process, ensuring it is efficient and stress-free for the animals. This blend of renewable energy and automation highlights a commitment to sustainability that is as important as the crops being grown. This highly advanced agricultural environment is not merely a vision of the future, but is gradually becoming a reality. It showcases how state-of-the-art technologies can revolutionize food production, feeding a growing population while respecting the environment. The fusion of autonomous machinery, AI robotics, and renewable energy solutions paints a picture of an agricultural industry where technology, innovation, and sustainability work harmoniously to ensure a prosperous and healthy future for all.